Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in 2013 Honda Fit, only ways. Locate the low-pressure service port under the hood and attach your gauge and hose securely for safety. Prepare R134A refrigerant, a calibrated gauge set, and eye protection before starting. Start the engine, set blower to max, and slowly add refrigerant while watching low side pressure. Stop when cold air is steady and pressures remain stable. Then inspect for leaks. Gathering the right tools makes the job safer and faster. Bring R134A, a calibrated manifold gauge set, a quick connect hose, and gloves. Use eye protection and work in a well-ventilated area away from open flames or sparks. Verify your gauge calibration before connecting and keep a leak detector and soap solution handy. If you smell refrigerant or see oil, stop and address leaks before proceeding with recharge. Begin with the engine running and AC on the coldest setting while the gauge is connected to the low side port. Read idle pressures first and confirm the compressor is engaging. Add R134A in short bursts, watching the low side gauge and cabin temperature until it reaches steady cold airflow. Avoid adding refrigerant if pressures spike or if the system is very low and showing signs of a leak. Finish by checking connections and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.